Welcome to today's cooking lab, where we will be exploring American cuisine. In this video, we will be making black bean burgers. Let's review our mise en place. Please remember to wash your hands before starting any food preparation. In a sauté pan, heat the oil over medium heat. Sauté the peppers, onions, and garlic until softened. In a large bowl, mix together the sautéed vegetables along with the cumin, chili powder, garlic powder, breadcrumbs, Worcestershire sauce, salt, pepper, water, and eggs. Mix well and then add the black beans. Use a fork or any other tool to help you mash the beans. Form patties with the bean mixture. Next, cook the patties in a heated pan while flipping with a spatula. Serve the patties on buns with lettuce, tomato, and onion, as well as any other condiments you desire. Enjoy! Remember to send us a photo of your black bean burger creation. Here are some photos of past participant creations.